Hello there. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to connect this Android radio with your button that is here, with the factory button that you have here. Okay, so I start the car, and on another video I will show you how to use this logo also. But what is important today, it is to show you how you can connect this radio with all this button here to be used it right now. What I want to tell you, I was trying to use this cable, right, only this cable like this, but I couldn't succeed. I don't know why, but I'm going to try another day again. But right now I am using this cable. Do you see? You can see the name of the manufacturer is Connect. I think it's Connect 2, right? I'm going to show you how to use this Connect 2 to do it. But another day also I try to see if I can use this one, but I try it with this one, but I fail. Okay, let's go now. So I just want to show you that everything is playing normally. I can add the volume, as you see. Just by this button I can add the volume easily, and also I can reduce the volume. I can even change the channel by using this button here, the SEC button. I can change. Now I'm going to the explanation so you understand how to do. And first of all, you need to put on your mind that this antenna, we use a very big this antenna is very useful. This antenna that you see me connect, it will help you at the end to connect the last button. Because if you don't connect this antenna, you will not be able to use the last button. I'm going to shut down the car and I will show you everything. Now I shut down the car completely and we are going to the explanation. You see, this is the factory Ford radio, right? This 6000 CD is the factory radio of Ford that I was using in the past, this one. And the factory radio connection is here. It is the end of it is this one. And this one that you see white, this one like this black one, and this one, it is for this device, right? It's for this device. Now how it works, I'm going to put it like this. You can see every Android radio have already this connection, right, that you see here. This one, you see this one. So this is the back of the radio, and everyone can connect this one, and this one come like this, as you see my hand. This one come like this until it finish here. It finish exactly here. You see the connection. So from here to here, it is the connection that everyone can do. Is for the radio. It's nothing difficult here. Now on the back of this cable that is connected to the radio, you have something called key 1 and key 2, right? For example, there you can see something like, I think you can see key, that one is key 1. You can see here key 1, right? If you want, you can take key 1 that is on the cable of the radio. You connect directly here. This cable is for the radio himself. So this cable that you see here, these two cable, because there's third one, but this third one is not useful. You take this cable that you see here. It is this cable. It is the cable from this one. It's come directly from this one. It's come directly from here. So if you want to make it so easily, you take key 1 and key 2 that is here. You jump directly here, right? You jump directly, you connect here. It's the same. Then what is the rest? Because I'm using this one as I show you, right? This one is self-explanatory, because you can just connect like this one. You cannot connect, you just connect also like this one, right? So simple. But why I jump it? Why? Let me explain you why I jump this one. I jump this one because this connection, I was not so sure about the connection inside here, right? I was not so sure about the connection inside here. Then I jump directly. I was not obliged to jump it, but I jumped it to make sure that it's connected. After I will close everything properly. I was just doing like that to show it to you. So when you do like that, you'll be able to program all the button, right? You'll be able to program all the button. Now I'm going to start the car and show you easily how to program the button. I don't know if the explanation here is good for you. If you have little knowledge about how to connect cable, you will connect this device without any problem. You can buy it on Allegro here in Poland. You can buy it on Allegro. But you need to use this cable only, this device only for Ford Mondeo, because there are a lot of them. But you need to choose only for Ford Mondeo. Now, if the connection here is clear, don't worry about this too many cables here. Nothing is difficult. It is straight connection, and you need to make sure that key 1 and key 2 that is on this cable, you plug it directly on here. If you want, you plug it directly here, like plus minus. You plug it directly here. Now, to make the radio to work with this button here, I'm going to explain it to you. So I'm going to start the car and show you how you can match. I'm going to start the car and now show you how you be match any button here, right, with this button here. So let's start the car. Now I start the car, and it's very important, as I told you, if you don't connect this if you don't connect the cable of the antenna, you will not be able to program the last button. If the cable of this antenna is not connected, you'll be able to program only 3 buttons. But as soon as you connect this antenna cable, now you'll be able to program 4 buttons. I don't know if you can program more than 4, but at least I use only 4. I use only 4 buttons. Now, when you come here like this, right, I'm going to put like this. Now you can come here to home. Now you go to this application that you see here. I turn like this so you see normally. I come to this application. I can switch just like this. Now you have here steering wheel key. You have this steering wheel key. You click on it, and what you need to do when you click one button here, I'm going to do for example this one. I click this button, and my hand is already ready to accept it here, and you will see here succeed. Let me put, I don't know if I can put like this. No, by the way, not from this step, nothing difficult. I'm going just to click, for example, volume, this one, and I accept it here, and you see you right here that it writes something like that is succeed. I want to put the phone somewhere so you can see, but at this step nothing is difficult. I don't know if you will be able to see it here. No, you cannot see it here. I'm going to do only with one hand, and you will see what is going on. No, there is no one to help me here. I'm going to click like this, and I click here, and you see learn to succeed. And when you do like that, after don't forget to press save, right? You save your work, you save, and that is everything. Now you can add the volume as you want, you can reduce the volume as you want. I'm going to put the radio. I come here to radio, for example, and you can also, using this button seek, you can also change the channel like this. You can change the channel easily, right? You can change the channel. I'm going to I think that I'm going to program another button. I'm going to see if I can program another button. The button who can help me, I'm going to see if you can program another button. But don't forget, if you don't put that antenna, you will program only 3 buttons. As soon as you put the antenna, okay, the radio is playing now. I can reduce the radio. Okay, so this is everything. And one day I try again with this one to see if it works. But really, trust me, I tried, but it couldn't work. Then I was obliged to connect this one again. This device, you can see on website that is called Allegro here in Poland. This one, yes, that is everything. I'm going to close everything, and I hope that you will be able to do it without any problem. Yes. So really, I think that's everything. Like and subscribe to my channel. I will show you many things on this radio. By the way, if you have this radio, you see it's right here like this. You need to have 2 codes to be able to manipulate this radio. You need 2 codes. For example, if I come here like this, I come here to this one, I scroll like this, I go to the factory setup like this. For example, you have 2 codes. You can press 1, you can press 5, 6, 7, 8. You're able to enter the minimum configuration of the radio. So you'll be able to enter only the minimum configuration of the radio. But if you press 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you click OK, you enter another configuration. Right, we are going to turn back. You see this one. Now if I turn back like this, I go again to factory setup. I press only 5, 6, 7, 8, not 9. I click OK. I enter this configuration. But to change many things on the radio, as I told you, you need to go to factory setup again. Now if you press 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, OK, then you enter the configuration where you can use the boot logo of Ford and other thing. All right, you can use the boot logo of Ford. And here, make sure, for me, for example, I choose host. You can choose device if you want. I don't know, I will show this thing to you another day. So the first video, it is just, I'm going to shut down the car. So this first video, it was just how to just to show you how to connect this cable, and nothing is really difficult, and you can do it alone. If you have any issue with it, please write on the comment on my video, like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Don't forget also, I sell many parts of Ford Mondeo. For example, this radio is to sell. I have 5 of them that I can sell and ship everywhere. I have many parts of Ford Mondeo to sell also. And if you need something, just write me. Okay guys, that's enough. Like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.